Welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel, Spain. Today is Sunday, August 8, 2021, which of course means that you get two first on reports today. That's right, you get two reports for the price of one. In addition to your COVID-19 analysis, daily COVID analysis, you also get no additional cost, uh, a vaccine rollout report for your country of Spain. Of course, before we get started, a big shout out to 270 some people now. What, 275,000 people maybe who subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel now. Of course, now I need you folks to step up. I need you to step up, click on that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. Share it, copy and paste the link into a text message or email. You can share with your friends and family that way. Of course, also don't forget to click that subscribe button. All right. So let's begin by taking a look at the report for the vaccine rollout report for Spain. So what you can see here, currently Spain has administered 58 million doses. Of those 58 million doses, 33 million have received one dose, and 28.2 million have received the full treatment. What we can see here is 70% of the people in Spain have received one dose. But only, well, this isn't bad. This is 60%. Okay, so you're very quickly reaching that point where you should start seeing some benefits in terms of lower deaths. Notice I said lower deaths, not lower cases, lower deaths, lower COVID-19 deaths. Okay, so let's jump over here to this report, see if you are seeing a downward trend in your deaths. Okay, what you can see is you've had 4.5 million cases, 82,000 deaths. Now, this declining mortality rate, don't get too excited. This simply means that the ratio of cases to death is increasing. The gap between cases and deaths is increasing. Let's take a look here. Well, it's interesting. You can see like there may be a slight downward trend. You can see, of course, on August the 2nd, you reported 55,939 cases. But yet on August the 6th, you only reported 21,561, which is kind of curious. Okay. But for the good news is for August 3rd, the 7-day period ending August 3rd, you're averaging 27,504 cases per day. Let's take a look at deaths here. For August the 2nd, you reported 157 deaths. For August the 6th, you only reported 75 deaths. Now, the 7-day period ending August the 3rd, you were averaging 87 deaths per day. Cases? Well, you can see here, the previous 2 weeks, you saw this the 3 or 4 week increase in cases here. But it looks like this week and last week, well, no, it looks like the previous 2 weeks, you actually had a decline in weekly cases. What about deaths? We can see your deaths are still relatively low. This would be 1,000. So this would be about 500 deaths for a week. You see a slight increase here, but again, these deaths are relatively low. Hopefully this number will level out and start to decline over the next few weeks as the COVID-19 vaccine really begins to make its way through your society, through people. You can see last month was the second most month for cases. The deaths, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row, you had a decline in COVID-19 deaths. Now this is going to be tricky. We could see an increase here because we're only 8 days in and it's almost caught July's numbers, all right? But the deaths are continuing to look good. The vaccine numbers are increasing, which is very good. But anyway, Spain, thanks so much for your time today. And don't forget to click on that share button, share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. Also, don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Thanks so much for your time, Spain. We'll catch you in a couple days with an updated report.